I want to ask you guys something. I think many of you came across people with absolutely zero driving skills, like absolutely zero. That's adults, and adults probably driving like 10, 20 years. I was on my way to, some family members, and then all of a sudden, I see this guy's like driving, he's got his hazards on and everything. Obviously, when hazards mean I can drive anywhere, I can drive anyhow. And then this dumbass, excuse my language, this complete dumbass has decided to overtake on a double, what do you call it? It's a double marked lane on the road in front of policemen. That's like, this dude is going to get caught, honestly. And then all of a sudden, you saw like a completely driving like a complete maniac. And then I was like, I'm checking. Mother, the guy's got him. I was like, you were supposed to drive like a normal human being. Where did you get your license? A flip a lucky packet. Dumbass.